everybody, Candi here. Hey guys, Pandi here of PANDI'S, Candi, and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are a return visitor and we are already chat family, welcome back to the channel, PANDI'S peeps. I appreciate your continued support. You all, I'm coming on with this short message to let you all know that I am introducing a new segment to the variety channel that is PANDI'S Hair, Candi, and more. You all know over here, for the most part, the channel is based on hair, both wigs as well as natural hair care, but I also offer a whole wide variety of different content over here, from TV show reviews to product reviews to hosting fun game nights, to trending recaps, to PANDI'S medicine cabinet. I offer a wide variety of content on this channel. So again, I thank you guys for continuing to rock with me. But I've been thinking on this, and this is something that I've kind of wanted to try. I am going to link my email, my YouTube associated email, in the description box in this video, because starting this Saturday, November 13th, I want to host a live stream on my first ever Ask Pandi segment. In this segment, I'm going to be kind of explaining how it will work, but this is just a brief introduction to let you all know. So hopefully the emails will start coming in. Okay? So you know how different newspapers and things have a Ask Edna or Ask Waldo. I want for you all, the subscribers, to pose your questions to me, and then I'll come on and give my perspective and my advice on said question. You know, and then we can do that in a live or an uploaded format. You all be the judge. Let me know. I'm looking for your feedback here. Because I think this is a great way for me to get a better feel of my supporters, and for you all to get a better feel of me as a content creator, you know, in a way for us to kind of grow together. I have so many different directions that I want to take the channel in, and you all know I love sharing information. If I'm ever presented with a question that I don't know the answer to, I feel like it's something that we can kind of take the journey on together and get the answer together. So you all stay tuned and be on the lookout for the upcoming new segment on PANDI'S Hair, Candi, and More's channel. It is going to be the Ask Pandi segment. Okay? And I'm looking forward to you guys. Bring those questions on. I am here for it. I can't wait to get started. I think this is going to be wonderful and exciting, y'all. You guys, stay safe out there. Stay encouraged. And until next time, I will see you all in the next video. In the next video. I can't sing right now, y'all. I just left the dentist. I had to have some dental work done. So I'm sore. I'm going to go lay down, take my anti-inflammatory medication, and try to get some rest so I can get back to work tomorrow. But yeah, on a serious note, let me know your thoughts, how y'all feel about the Ask Pandi segment. It's coming. Whether y'all participate or not, it's coming. And I'm looking forward to it. And I hope you all participate. All right? Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.